Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Facebook notification setting, and today's video title is guys how to turn on people you may know on your Facebook setting. You want to use this notification on your Facebook account, so how to turn on one by one, step by step friends we will talk about friend suggestion notification you want to use on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to turn on and how to use it. First of all guys, we will turn on Facebook. After turn on Facebook friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook. So friends, on your Facebook you want to use your friend request setting, so you can use it. You may have new friend suggestion notification you want to use, people you may know notification setting you want to use. So friends, we will turn on Facebook setting and privacy. After turn on Facebook setting and privacy option, friends, you can see this type interface on your account. Personal details setting, password and security setting you want to use, so you can use. Notification setting friends, we will tap here notification. After the notification, reminder notification you don't want to use, so you can turn off. Friends, you can see this notification to remind you of updates you may have missed. You have 3 notification like that. Reminder notification you want to off, so you can off and you can on. Friends, you can see update from friend notification you want to use, so you can use it. Friend request notification you can use, birthday notification you can use, and friends, you can see people you may know notification is off on your Facebook account and you want to use this notification on your Facebook account. So friends, you can see these are notification about people you may know suggestion. Here in example friends, you can see you have a new friend suggestion notification. So friends, you want to use like that notification people you may know on your Facebook account. So if you tap here, so friends, you can see allow notification on Facebook, so we will allow. After allow friends, you can see there are 3 options where you receive this notification: push, email and SMS. You want to off, so you can off. Only email you want to, so you can on and you can off. So friends, I will on all. Now friends, I can use, I have new friend suggestion notification on my Facebook account, so I can use it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To find out if any problem on your Facebook account, on your Facebook notification, password security settings, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.